Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is an Audi A7, so I was called that the vehicle could not start. So this is me. I have to check what exactly how the car performs, and with that I can draw a conclusion on why it could not start. So this is me in the vehicle to check. So the car uses a push start button, and here is the push start button. So my feet I place on the brake pedal to start the car, and let me see. Oh, and that is it. This is how it starts. So with these symptoms displayed, we suspect three things, which are firstly the battery terminal. If they are not well tightened, something like this will occur. Secondly, if the battery is low, it will perform like this as well. And thirdly, the starter motor, if it's bad, same like this, symptoms will show up. So already I have checked and the starter motor seems fine. And secondly, I have to locate the position of the battery, so I check the terminal to see if they are firmly tightened. So, and that is it again. I started it the second time to see if they are firmly tightened. So with that, I can draw a conclusion on why the car could not start. So actually, I'm not with my multimeter. I would have checked the voltage of the battery, so it will be very accurate for me. But let's go. I have to locate the position of the battery. Okay, I had to pull this up in case you're watching my video and you have a multimeter and you want to run a test on the battery. So that is it there. So let me locate the location of the battery, which is at the back of the vehicle at the boot. So to get access to it, I have to lose this spare tire, and I have to lose this as well. I have to take this out so I can get access to the battery, and that is the battery. That is where it is located. So there are bolts I have to lose out, 13 bolts, approximately 4 bolts I have to lose out. This is the guide of the battery, so I have to lose this out. So looking at the battery terminal here, is firmly tightened, so this will rule out the second suspect which I had in mind. Okay, so I have to lose all this out, and meanwhile I have requested for a brand new battery, so I'm going to replace the battery with this one the moment I lose it out. So before I can be able to lose this out, I believe the battery will be here, the new battery I ordered for. So these are the bolts of the guide holding the battery, which are 13mm spanner I needed, and this is it to lose out the bolts. So I have to lose it out carefully and make sure I fix back the same way I removed it. And meanwhile, also in replacing this battery, I will have to lose the negative battery terminal first before I lose out the positive terminal. And in replacing the new one, I will have to tighten the positive terminal firstly, then I tighten the negative terminal last, and I make sure they are very, very firmly tightened, so to avoid any doubt of the car not starting. Okay, I am still losing the 13 bolts with my spanner, and this is the guide of the battery. The battery also have a 13 bolt that I have to lose to completely bring out the battery. So already the battery I ordered is near. Okay, and this is the guy that's holding the battery. Same, I have to use my 13mm spanner to lose it out, and that is it, which I am losing quite alright. Okay, so now bring out the battery. And that's the battery I ordered to replace it with this one in the car, and that is it. So let me keep the key so I can take the battery easily and fix. Like I said, also firstly I'll tighten the positive terminal first, then secondly I will have to tighten the negative terminal lastly, very strong. So that is how, okay, that is it. The battery terminal, the positive, I have to tighten it strong, then the negative terminal as well. So this is the right way of fixing or changing the battery in the car. So after this, I'm going to test to see if the car will start, and hopefully that will be okay. Now I'm done fixing the positive terminal, so I have to fix the negative terminal and make sure it's well tightened and firm before I go ahead to check the vehicle and attempt to start to see the result of my work. So here we go. I'm almost done fixing the negative battery terminal, so I have to make sure it's firmly tightened. Yeah, this is me tightening it very well. So I'm done. So I have to start the vehicle and see the result of changing the battery, replacing it with a new battery with much voltage. As usual, there is a push start button on my feet on the brake pedal to start the vehicle and see. And here's the vehicle dashboard. Okay, and that solves the solution of the vehicle not being able to start. We had a very weak battery, because apparently the battery is completely gone. Okay, so it doesn't end there. I have to reset the glass window. So in resetting this glass window, I have to put the driver's side switch down, then take it up completely and not release the button. I hold it up for approximately 10 seconds. Okay, and that solves it. I have to hold it approximately 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that solves it. So I test it to see. Okay, and it goes up automatically. So also I have to come out of the car and check. Whenever I slam the door, it should go up, it should close completely. Okay, and this is it. So let me look at the passenger side as well and see how it works, if it's also. So originally we had a faulty battery, not necessarily a faulty battery as a result of the alternator not charging the battery, but the battery itself is bad and needed replacement. So that is it for the vehicle not starting. And I want to say a big thank you for as many that have stayed to watch this video. If you are watching my video for the very first time, please subscribe for more auto tips, please comment, and please like. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it.